Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can invite and add friends to your Facebook page and it's not working. So let's say you're trying to invite your friend, but you need to remember this. If your Facebook group or if your Facebook page is private, then unless you're admin, you cannot invite anybody. So if your Facebook page is private, try to get access to become an admin, then only you can invite other people, because that might be the issue. And the other thing is, if you have a public account, then of course every member on the group or like every member on the Facebook page can invite 50 people. So per person you can only invite 50 people. So let's say the page is private and you're the admin of the page and you have already invited 50 people on the event, then that's the main reason why you're not able to invite more people, because it's only 50 people per event. And if it is a public event, then each people on that event can invite other 50 people, and just like that you can invite a lot of people. But if you're trying to invite more than 50 people, you can't, and that's the reason why you're not able to invite people. But let's say you're the admin of the page and you haven't invited 50 people and you're still not able to invite them on your page. In that case, a bug might be causing the problem. Then you just need to delete your Facebook app and reinstall it again. Sometimes a small bug causes the problem, so deleting and reinstalling the Facebook app should fix your issue. And it will also update your Facebook, since when you're re-downloading, you will be downloading the latest version of Facebook. And by doing that, your problem should be fixed. So that's how we guys can fix this invite and add friend not working on Facebook page. Hit the subscribe to our channel 1 step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.